warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, how are you today? Hope you are good every day. We meet again on Bahasa Indonesia's class with me, Mem Farida. Let's start our study today with read Basmalah. Okay? 1, 2, 3 together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, good. Now we are going to the first material. What is that, ma'am? The first material in Bahasa Indonesia today is teks laporan hasil pengamatan. What is teks laporan hasil pengamatan? Do you know teks laporan hasil pengamatan? What's know teks laporan hasil pengamatan? Laporan adalah teks yang berisi informasi berdasarkan pengamatan yang sudah dilakukan. Now, what is the purpose of teks laporan? The purpose of teks laporan is teks laporan bertujuan untuk memberikan informasi kepada banyak orang. Nah, you already know the definition about teks laporan hasil pengamatan. Teks laporan hasil pengamatan contains the first, informasi atau pernyataan umum. The second is kumpulan fakta atau hasil pengamatan. And the last, the third is simpulan. For example, you can see the picture. What is the picture? Yeah, this is Taman Safari. You can read the example for teks laporan hasil pengamatan in the Taman Safari. From the text, what information do you know? Yeah, the information from the text is jumlah hewan di Taman Safari Indonesia kurang lebih 2.500 ekor dan terbagi menjadi 271 spesies. That is the information about teks laporan hasil pengamatan. You can try to read the other teks laporan hasil pengamatan. Okay, now we are going to determine ide pokok of teks laporan hasil pengamatan. Let's start. What is ide pokok? Do you know ide pokok or main idea? Ide pokok is ide yang mendasari sebuah teks, terutama teks laporan. Where do you know the ide pokok or main idea? Ide pokok dalam teks laporan hasil pengamatan dapat kita temukan pada kalimat utama teks tersebut. Kalimat utama bisa terletak di awal paragraf atau di akhir paragraf. Now you already know? Okay, let's remember the previews of teks laporan hasil pengamatan. Where is the kalimat utama? Yeah, kalimat utama on the first sentence. Okay? From that kalimat utama, you can find the ide pokok or main idea. Yeah, the ide pokok is jumlah hewan di Taman Safari Indonesia kira-kira 2.500 ekor dan terbagi atas 271 spesies. Very good. Remember, in teks laporan hasil pengamatan, it usually does not consist only one paragraph, but several paragraphs. From each paragraph, we can find its main idea or ide pokok. To make it easier to understand, let's see the following example of presenting the main idea in the form of a diagram. determine the conclusion in the text laporan hasil pengamatan, or menentukan simpulan dalam teks laporan hasil pengamatan. Simpulan is ikhtisar akhir dari suatu teks laporan. Simpulan dibuat dengan kalimat yang padat, jelas, dan juga singkat. Oke? This is how to make the simpulan of teks laporan hasil pengamatan. You can see. Oke, remember the previous text of teks laporan hasil pengamatan. You can make the simpulan of teks laporan hasil pengamatan. What is that? Ayo. Oke, this is simpulan of teks laporan hasil pengamatan. Okay, this is the last for me. Before we end this meeting, we can read Alhamdulillah together. Okay, 1, 2, 3 together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Okay, see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.